learn the definitions of farming, farmers and farming.
Okay. Farm,
Ma'am.
farmers and farming. After
Ma'am,
that,
plowing.
okay. Growing crops. How
Growing
does a
crops.
farmer grow crops in his farm?
And
3
we learn the
steps.
points.
Okay, 3
Steps.
steps in that. Okay. After that, we learn how to prepare the land.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sowing.
Before sowing, what is the step? We want to prepare the land. How can we prepare the land for sowing?
Plowing.
Plowing. Okay, plowing. What is the instrument? I will ask, what is the
Plow.
instrument? Plow.
Plow.
Not plow, plow.
Plow.
Okay, plow, plow. Verse on. Plow. Ashwin, tell me the spelling of plow. In the tool used by the farmer to
Ma'am,
plow.
can I?
Yes, Eric.
Plough.
Okay. So, Kashinath, what do you mean by Kashi? What do you mean by plowing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you
Making the
mean by?
soil. Yes, ma'am. Making the soil loose for planting crops and rearing animals using a plow is called ploughing.
Okay, plowing. It is not about rearing animals. Okay. Plowing is only for planting crops, growing crops. Is it clear, children? Hmm?
Yes,
If we want to rear animals, we need sheds. Isn't it? Sheds, not the farm, not the land. We have to make a shed on the land. No need to plow. Okay,
And to plow,
everyone
we use
switch on your
machines.
video. Yes.
Use machines.
Yes,
We use
yes, yes.
machines to plow.
Yeah, nowadays instead of animals, long ago,
Cows.
oxen and buffaloes we used for plowing. But nowadays, instead of that, we can use tractor so that we can save time, and also we should not be cruel. We should not be cruel to the animals, right? We should not make them to work for us. So by taking these all, we nowadays we are taking the tractors for plowing. That much we learn, isn't it? So are you ready with your rough book for noting down the next point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you hear me? Devadat, I can hear you clearly. So mute it whenever is required, then only to unmute. Okay. So here, let me share it.
ma'am, I take rough book.
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
In the last definition you gave, I couldn't finish writing the last point.
Is it sewing?
No, ma'am. May also use machines such
Okay,
like
okay.
a
That I will
tractor.
revise it. So I think you can see this now. Plowing, preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing. So what is a plow? Sometimes you can expect that question also. Devada, switch on your video. A plow is used to prepare the soil, or you can also say that is a tool for making the soil loose. A farmer may use the plow with the help of animals such as oxen and buffaloes. And also nowadays we can use machines such as tractors to do it. I think this much time is enough for you to note down these points, isn't it?
Ma'am, I wrote down the last point.
Okay. So next one, the next step, that is sowing. Next one is sowing. So today, let me
Ma'am,
take.
I didn't finish.
Who is that?
Ivan.
Ivan. So that one we learned it in the last class, no? You
No,
did not?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we learned this in the last class.
And we learned in the last class, but some points
Okay,
didn't
okay.
tell us
Then
to
now
write.
you can. Akil, what do you want, Akil?
You just told us to write the first point.
Okay, Akil. Okay, so you can write it. What is the name of the, Muhammad Akil, tell me, what is the name of the tool that it is used for plowing?
Plot.
Plow, plow, plow.
Plow.
Okay, spelling.
Plough.
Okay, so tell me, Devadat, mute your audio. Namsia, what is the name of the process called plowing? What is it called plowing? Are you saying anything? I can't hear you. Kashinath, again your profile picture is there, no video. Kashi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am, I am not calling attendance.
Preparing the land.
Namsia, say it loudly. What do you mean by plowing?
Preparing the land to sow seeds using a plough is called ploughing.
Okay, so next one, Advait Rajiv. Okay, so farmer use the plow with the help of animals. Before that, long time ago, which are the animals used for plowing by the farmer? Advait,
Oxen and buffaloes.
when did you change your name, Meghana? I am asking this question to Advait. Yes, tell me.
Oxen and buffaloes.
Oxen and buffaloes. Jibichan, tell me the spelling of oxen.
Oxen.
Okay, so Ameya, tell me the spelling of buffaloes.
Buffaloes.
Okay, Devadanda. See, nowadays, which machine is used for plowing?
Tractor.
Spelling.
Tractor.
Okay, so I think now this much time is enough. Okay, so next one, sowing. Next topic is sowing. So we prepared the land. We made it ready for sowing it. We made it ready for growing crops in that. Isn't it, Nived? Nived, what is the name of this process, Nived? Nived, what is the name of this process?
I'm sewing.
Sowing. So remove the virtual background and sit properly and say the spelling of sowing. Nived, tell me the spelling of sowing. Are you not there?
SOWING.
Okay, sowing. So means we have to keep the seeds in the soil. That process is called sowing. Okay, so in this one, after we made the, after plowing with the soil, it will become loose. That means we will uplift this soil. We have turned over that soil, so it may become loose. So in that loose soil, the air may get it into the soil. The soil after plowing, it may become airy. Airy means the seeds needs water, nutrients, and air for germination. Isn't it, Ashwin? For germination, seeds needs water, air, soil, and sunlight. So do you remember one small letter?
Swan.
Swan. Okay,
Ma'am, can
okay. Yes.
Can you show the logboard?
Yes, I will show it. Okay, so Partha, Ivana, Joseph, Ivan, Catherine, Lionel, everyone switch on your videos. Akshit, Ivan, Matthew. While I am sharing the screen, those are switching off the videos. I will remove them. Okay, no other warning.
Ma'am, I have network issue.
Eric, I can understand all others. Agnes,
Okay, ma'am.
Faihan, I will remove them. Let me come that parents will let me know about it. So at that time they will come and ask. So I can tell me the reason. Okay, tell about that reason. So here you can see in this picture, you can see on the loose soil, we will make some channel like that. Okay, make some narrow path in that, and we will keep some seed in this one and cover that seed with a loose layer of soil. That is called sowing. After preparing the land, the seeds are put in the soil and covered with a loose layer of soil. This is called sowing. Can you see it, Jibichan? Can you see it?
I have saw this. I
Okay.
have do
Yeah.
this.
So, yeah, see vegetables and we can sow it like that. And
Yeah.
yeah, in paddy field, see some experts will come and they will just throw it, isn't it? Yeah, along with the folk dance, folk song,
I
they
have
will,
saw that.
yeah, in some films nowadays, in some films we can see that one. They will throw this, they will spread that seeds in their farm.
I have saw in
Yes,
tree.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is sowing?
What is sowing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is sowing means keeping the seed in the soil. That is called sowing. Understood, Namsia?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that vegetables, some type of crops, we have to keep it in a straight line.
Yeah,
But
ma'am.
in paddies and all, what we will do? We will
Let us
just
throw.
throw that seeds to that place.
Ma'am, in the vegetable garden, or we can put like this, but in the paddy field we cannot do.
Yeah,
Because
paddy field, we will just throw it. That means
Because that is
paddy,
very
that
big.
seeds are very small. It is very difficult to keep one by one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it is big.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
field.
Yeah, small seeds. Yeah, that is why.
All
So
seeds
here,
and it is field.
So when we cover the seeds with the soil, so we
one
must
loose
be,
layer, not thick layer, just some
And it will
one
not
layer.
grow.
Yeah, other
And
if
it
we are
only
not,
slowly,
yeah, if
only
we are not covering it with soil, what will happen?
will not grow.
Will not grow. Yeah, it will not grow.
Some animals will come
Yeah,
and
animals and birds will come
birds
and
will
eat
pick it
those.
and eat.
Yeah, so we will not, the crops will not grow. You told it correctly, but it is not because it is not getting soil, not, that is not the reason. Animals or the seeds will, animals or this one, birds will come and eat that. Farhan, I can see only the two dresses which were kept it for, spread it on the, for, yeah. See, Farhan, I can't see your face. If you are these clothes are attending the class or you? What? See, after a long time that I am seeing your face, not completely. Show me your face. Farhan, show me your face fast. It is not far. Okay, okay. Farhan, keep it somewhere down. Faihan is there. Faihan, if you are not switching on your video, I will remove you. Okay, in the last class also, you are not present. What you are doing, I have some doubts about it.
Ma'am,
Faihan,
he is not connected.
Faihan. Faihan. So he can't hear me. Isn't it?
ma'am.
If it is not so, just for getting the attendance that he is showing his name. So if I am not getting any response, just tell me, children. Kashi, should I give any attendance?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, if I call Faihan, if he is there at the back of the camera, he should respond, no? Otherwise, how I can? In the same way, Joseph, Ivana, if you are there behind,
Partha is doing something.
who?
Partha Sarathi.
Okay, so sit properly, children, everyone sit properly. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the sowing.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Megha.
So when we cover the seeds with the soil, so should we make sure the soil is wet?
Yes, that we will see it later. Okay, first now we are, now we prepared the land for growing the crops. After that, we are sowing the seed. See, if we are, wait, if we are keeping the seed such like, that means in open soil, The animals we discussed before, animals and birds will make it as their food. So we will not get our crops. So in order to avoid that, we will cover the seeds with a loose layer. Okay, very thin, loose layer of air over it. Sorry, soil over it. So in the first chapter, in the term 1, yes, somebody is calling. Who is that?
But the ant also will eat.
Yeah, ants also. So that all we can prevent it. I will explain how we can prevent the insects, birds, ants. How we can save these seeds from them.
And we
Okay.
can put some rice.
Okay, so that is so many other things also are there. Okay, see rice.
Like that, ma'am. I will put some rice.
See rice, if the area is very small, we can use this rice. Yeah, which rice you are saying? Is it cooked rice or raw rice?
Or rice.
Raw rice. Okay, is it in the vegetable garden or in the paddy field? Which one they were that?
Vegetable garden.
Yeah, that is the difference. Okay.
We cannot use it in the paddy field because so many rice we want.
Yeah. So that is why I am saying this one. Okay. So listen here. So in this, after sowing, in the first chapter, we learned in seed germination. At that time, we learned in order to germinate, a seed requires certain things. Then only that may get germinate, isn't it? So who can tell me what all are the things that a seed required for germination? Let me raise your hand. Don't unmute. Raise your hand. Think. Okay, George, please try it. Let me see. Are you remembering it or not?
Ma'am, sunlight.
Yeah, sunlight. Yes.
Water.
Water.
Air.
Air.
Nutrients.
Nutrients. So in order to remember that, I made one small.
SWAN.
Okay.
SWAN.
So if you are remembering that single word, okay, keep it down. So if you remember that single word, you can easily remember which all are the important things that a seed required for germination. So here also the same germination we need, isn't it? Just now we have sowed it. Okay, so is it clear, children? Can we move to the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Mekha.
When we put the seeds, shouldn't we keep a bit of distance?
Yes, that is also. Okay, according to the crop.
Very near and it will no space for that.
Okay. Yeah, that also you learned it, no?
Yeah.
Some of the seeds may die. They need enough space for growing.
Dispersal of seeds.
Yeah, that is dispersal. So here, when we grow some vegetable crops, we can sow the seeds in the same way which it is showed in the picture. But when we sow the paddy, that means rice seeds, how we can do? Some expert person are there. They will spread it. That is a way of dispersal, spreading the seeds, some rhythmic spreading of the seeds, we can see it. And along with it, they are actually taking the sowing as a festival. Okay, along with that, they will sing folk songs, folk dance. See some of the, you can see some of this in the films. You can see it. Okay, so check it. Yes,
I hear that.
Yeah, you heard it. Okay, good. Yes. So here, the second step also over, sowing of seed. And now, after preparing the soil, we sowed the seeds. Now, what it is required?
You put the water.
Yeah, it need water. Right. So if we are providing water for these seeds, then only they can germinate. Yes. So for watering, that is called irrigation. Another word. Okay. And that is just I am introducing that. Irrigation. For watering the crops, different methods we can use. Okay, some seeds, some crops need lot of water. So children, while you just go through these paddy fields, sometimes you can see the paddy fields are flooded with water.
Yes, ma'am.
With water. Yes.
I saw
Yes, yes.
in my
Is that,
nearby field.
yeah, they've come fully
I
those.
have saw in my nearby field. Our
Yes.
field.
Yes. So, and in the other one, if we are going through this vegetable farms, we can't see like flooded field. Because if we are flooding, if those vegetable fields are flooded with water, will you think those crops can survive?
No.
No, because they don't want that much water. Okay, so according to the requirement of the crops, we can use water. So I will show some pictures. I will show some pictures of watering the
I
plants.
saw on that.
Yeah. Yes. See, water channels in a farm. For one method, it is keeping water channels.
I know.
And yes, Devadatt, please listen. Okay. Another one, field flooded with water. That is what I explained about the paddy field. Here you can see, this is a normal site, isn't it? Near the village place, we can see like these fields, paddy fields were flooded with water. After sowing the seed, after they started to germinate, we can keep it like this. But when we use vegetable crops, we can't do it. We can't flood it with water. There, what we will do, we will make some channels. Can you see it? Can you see this in between where we planted, in between we can make some channels through which we can pump some water. Okay, we can pump water through it.
Ma'am,
Okay, here,
channels means
right?
sorry,
channels means
not clear.
Channel me.
channels means
Yeah, some narrow space for flowing water. That is called channels. Okay, so
Ma'am, I have saw that in the my nearby
you
field.
have seen it. Okay, good. So children, while you see some paddy fields, vegetable fields, these and all, try to understand things. Okay, so that is not merely they are doing it. Some reason is behind it. That is the procedure. That are the steps they are following to grow crops in their farm. It is very, very important. If these steps are not done properly, that may really affect their yield, that may really affect their profit, that may really affect their crops. They will not get good yield, they will not get good crops. So if they are not getting good crops, will they can make profit? Will they get money out of it? No.
No.
That will become a loss. Okay, so these are the how they can water this field. See, not only this, some type of crops need water at whole time. So, and not in a large quantity, in small quantity. There, instead of flooding or by using channel, what we can use?
Yes, ma'am. In
Sprinkler.
some parts.
Yes, you have seen this, right? Some of your gardens may also have like this. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, yes. So here I want to ask you, Gurujit, you showed the this one, the crops which you are from your home, right? So there, how you are watering it, how you are irrigating it? Is it using pipeline? How it is? Gurujit? Sorry, Gurujit, I can't hear you. Yes, tell me. Okay, oh, that is only during the rainy season. Okay, so no need to water it. Okay, good. So in the same way, children, another type of sprinklers also we can use. Okay, so I will show these all pictures. See, like this. See, those crops don't want water at all time. We can make a pipeline, and through that, in between some points, we can make some So we can make some sprinkler like pipelines here. Okay.
In my
So
garden have like this sprinklers.
yes. Who
My
is it
garden.
in?
They were the
Okay, it is like that. So what is the benefit of it, Devadatt? Tell me why it is.
ma'am, because there are so many plants in my garden.
Okay, so many plants are there in your garden. So it
And
may
miss-
take lot of time to water it,
Yeah.
isn't it?
That's
Yeah.
why.
So if you are
I can hear you. Here is raining.
okay, Kashi. So what you want, Kashi? So you no need to water your plants, isn't it? Huh? Now
ma'am.
today, okay. So as it is thunder shower, lightning is not there means you can attend the class. If heavy lightning or thunder, then you can leave the class. Okay. I think simply it is raining, no? Kashi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I continue, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
different ways the farmers are taking
ma'am.
for
I
watering
have a
the
doubt.
plants. Okay. So children, see at the beginning, there were the 1 minute. Okay. See children, here you can see in this first picture, you can see the traditional methods which the farmers use. Farmers are using traditional methods. Okay.
Channels.
Yes. Now, as the technology improved, new technologies are there. They are making sprinklers. See, the sprinklers also different types of sprinklers are there.
Yeah, ma'am. One is small type and one is big.
Yeah, and not only that, drip irrigation method. Drip means a drop by drop. Some crops need some crops need water throughout the time, and that is also drop by drop, not in large quantity, in small quantity. Their soil should be wet. That is enough. So at that time they can use drip irrigation method. Okay, drop by drop. That these type of watering methods we can use in our crops. See children, now technology it is improved. So many, I told, agricultural universities are there. Okay, so those are learning about agriculture. They are
Excuse me, ma'am.
developing. They
I have
are
a doubt.
developing. Wait, children, first listen. They are developing new techniques to help the farmers. See, first we told we used animals for plowing, isn't it? After that, nowadays tractor we are using. As the scientists developed new techniques in agriculture, that is it helpful or not helpful for the farmers? Really helpful for the farmer. Okay, so don't think it like that. If we can make aeroplanes, rockets, through that only we can serve the nation. If we learn about agriculture, if we learn about the what we can develop agricultural tools. Okay, new agricultural tools that can really help the farmers, through which if the growing crops, it become very easy using these tools. All the farmers will be happy and will be ready for growing crops, isn't it? Yes. So that will be a great achievement for our nation, isn't it? So not only to make rockets, then aeroplanes or whatever it is, spaceships, these also are some of the areas where you can learn, where you can serve the country. Okay, so agriculture also you can select as a which one your career. Okay, so there also you can engineering is there, so you can develop new types of tools that can be a friend for the farmers. Got it? Understood?
I have a doubt.
Okay. Yes, Devadatt.
Uh, Paddy field does not want any fertilizers.
Devadat, can you ask the doubt loudly, because here it is heavy rain.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the paddy field does not want any fertilizers.
Yes, sure. That is what we are going to discuss it. Okay. Just we are step by step we are learning about the steps in agriculture, growing crops. So just now we prepared the land, we sowed that seeds in it. After that, the important thing it is watering, that also
Yes,
over.
yes.
Now we want to use some fertilizers.
Fertilizers.
Yeah, fertilizers means these seeds need nutrients, isn't it? So soil contain nutrients, some of the nutrients. But do you think, is that all nutrients they will get it from the soil?
No.
No. Okay, it is not possible. Yes, Christo, your voice is breaking in between. It's not clear.
Mama, very noisy.
Wait. Christo, is there any doubt? Okay, so can you please wait, because your audio is not. Yeah, it is breaking in between. Okay, Christo,
It's not
please wait.
clear.
Yes. So this nutrients also we need to add in the soil. Then only we can, the crops can grow properly. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Nutrients, for getting nutrients, we can add which one? Not only chemicals. Biochemicals also means the dry leaves. Okay, so these all are we can add these by dry leaves are all in the farm, all in the field. Okay, that also can become fertilizer. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
cows.
Cow dung.
Yeah, cow dung.
That is
Yes,
a
ma'am,
best manure. That is a best manure. I think in the garden. You are using that one.
How does cow dung help a plant grow very fast?
Megha?
Ma'am, how does a cow dung help the plants grow?
Yeah, see, cow dung, it may mix with the soil. So say cow eats all the plant parts, isn't it? So in their waste, in the cow dung also that parts are there. So when it mixes with the soil, that may start to decay. That may start to mix with the soil. So by mixing with the soil, that can form as a manure for the crops. So all the crops, sometimes they need some chemicals also, potassium, like that chemicals also, phosphorus, potassium, like that. These are minerals. That about this all you will learn it in higher class. Okay, potassium. I think you know some of the names you know. Potassium, sodium, this. So that as in our body that we need, in the same way plants also need. Okay, so that we can supply by keeping some chemical fertilizers. So that all things we will learn it in detail in the next class.
Ma'am, can you show the definition of sowing?
Yes.
The definition of
Okay,
sowing.
showing.
And
Wait.